Congo.
It is eaten by all the people along the Congo River.
The Congo River has coconuts?
Probably not.
They do. It does.
Ingredients!
Rice, tomato, and onions. Rice, tomato, and onions. Rice, tomato, and onions. Oil, garlic, pepper, salt, cayenne pepper.
Chicken, palm nut, parsley, peppers. We're gonna saute the oil and the vegetables, and then we're gonna add the chicken until it's brown.
That's sassy.
Oh, it smells so nasty. Oh, it looks so weird.
And it smells so nasty.
I liked it better when it was in the can.
Me too.
It smells like jam mixed with something nasty.
It smells like jam mixed with diarrhea.
It smells like jam with like peppers. Ooh, and this weird nasty spice smell.
I hope it tastes better than it smells. Way better. Because it smells disgusting.
All done cooking. We are going to plate it.
You can take a new know what it is.
Okay, one plate done.
I think I don't like this. The chicken. The chicken smells like. The chicken looks like poop. Close first door close. It's good.
What's wrong?
I don't like it. That's good.
So do you like it? Why do you like it?
Because of the sauce.
Do you think kids in the Republic of Congo like it? Should we make it again at our house?
I hope it tastes better than it smells. It's delicious. I like it.
Why?
Because it tastes better than it smells. Well, it tastes better than it smells. Way better than it smells. It smells so good. I mean, bad! It tastes so good.
Do you think the kids in the Republic of Congo like it?
Yes.
Should we do it again at our house?
Yes. And I'm serious. This time. I was waiting for you to press the stop button. Thanks for joining us today in the Republic of Congo. Bye, or as they say in the Republic of Congo, au revoir.